Okay. Can you kind of see? I hope. Right, this is the front page, obviously, the front cover. Okay. Just showing you some surfaces and a new way to do a board, which I'm going to do that as soon as quarantine is over and we can go out and I can get me some plexiglass. I'm going to try that because it's really neat. Our new starter kit. It has some of the new transfers in it that you'll see in this catalog. Some new colors. Very, very pretty. Okay, here we have, I'll bring it up this way for you. This here new transfer, it's got, looks like a briefcase, and it says Boss. I need that one. This one here with the roses, how they inked it here on the pillow. I think in a couple weeks we're going to do a whole week on nothing but inking, because I've never, okay, are you ready for this? I've never tried inking, but we're going to in a couple weeks. This one here is really cute. It has, oops, it has a key and it says Mighty. Okay, look at this leopard print. Oh, wait, here we are. Isn't that so freaking cool? And this one here says, welcome to our porch. Home is no place I'd rather be. Well, staying home these last few weeks, I could think of a few other places, but usually home is where I'd rather be. And then we have this the soda fountain one is really cute. Oh, these are so adorable. This is the lemon one, locally grown. And of course, we have examples for every single one. And then Songs of the Soul, The Gathering Place. So yeah, these are really, really nice. And these are live right now. And when you go on my page on Facebook, the post that will be right below this video, it's the link to this catalog is there. So if you wanted to go look at it. And now this one right here, the one I said was different. They took one of our frames. I'm thinking they popped the back of it out, put a piece of plexi, painted the back of the plexi, and then chalked on the front of the plexiglass. I might have to try that. And then we got some more up here. Showing the examples. I really want this wife, mom, boss one. And there's the leopard print. And then this one here says Papa Bear. To make that one for my husband. RV there yet? Your RV. Wherever you go. That one's kind of cool. See? And here's an example for it down here. I'm saying there's a lot of really cute ones. And then we got the s'mores and the coffee one. Oops. Freedom. And then it's a really nice one for the 4th of July. And the minis. And then on this one, the water bottle right there, they used the ink on printable vinyl and then stuck it on there. And it doesn't wash off. Because once the ink is heat set, it doesn't wash off. So that's kind of cool. We got to try that one too. I have some of those bottles, so we have to try that. And then we have the Good Old Days. And I can't read that without my glasses. Happy Clam. And then we have this bathroom set, which I'm going to make here real soon and put in my bathroom downstairs. And these surfaces. And when you purchase these surfaces, They are on sale this month for 50% off. When you... Wait, are these the ones? Yeah. And then that's it. So I'm saying the catalog, the new catalog is really, really nice. And it just launched this morning. So you have a chance to get in on it. Let me just set up the camera. I'm sorry if this makes somebody sick. Me moving the camera around. There we go. Okay. Now, as you know, when you get your transfer, you have to cut it apart. It's got these white lines right here and here. Then you just cut on those white lines. So what has everybody been doing? Anybody getting bored sitting at home yet? I know. For the most part, I mean, I am bored sitting at home, but I watch my grandkids, so I'm usually still pretty busy. Just find my marker. Right on the back of all of these. On the back of, oops. When you take these off, there's a shiny side and a paper side. You always want to put the transfer back on the shiny side. We'll make this bird 1 and bird 2. Okay, close up my marker. All right. What we're going to do is you want to take your transfer, run your finger over it like this, and pull it back from the backing sheet. And we're going to fuzz it up a few times, because when our transfers come to us, they are really, really sticky, and so you want to get some of that off, because you won't be able to get the transfer up off your surface. Alright. What is on this? Okay. Okay. Now you want to make sure that all of the silk screen area is stuck down, that there's no bubbles, there's no creases, nothing in it like that. Okay. And I'm going to take my almond ink and my bark ink. And I want them kind of two-tone. Like, no, branches normally are not one solid color. So I want to, you know, give it a little bit extra color. Okay. And we just need a little bit. Our main color is going to still be the bark. Okay. Put that aside. Pull out my bark. I haven't even used this one yet. Oops. I don't know if you can hear it or not. When you first get your paste, when you stir it up, it sounds like Snap Crackle Punch. Like Snap Crackle, what's that cereal? Alright. Just put it down. And then we're just going to use my smaller squeegee for this. I just had fears of me getting it on the board, because that's something that I would so do. Because I swear I am one of the messiest crafters I have ever met. I could clean my craft room, make one small project, and it's a complete disaster again. You ever notice that? Okay, let's set this aside. And now we want to peel it up. But you don't want to peel it up by the corner. You want to hold it in the middle. And there you go. I'm going to set this down for 1 second because I'm going to use it again. But I need to dry it real fast. And then we're going to turn it this way. And again, push down. The silkscreen area, and then very quickly okay, and then put in some bark. Okay. Oh, and before I go any further, I wanted to say that this is not my original idea. I got this from, her name is Sarah. She is above me and on our team, but on the team still, but above me. And this was her idea. So I do appreciate that. And I'll give her credit down at the bottom, but it's in the description. All right. Here we go. There's our branches. Set that aside. Now we're going to dry that. Okay. And now we're going to go on with our gather. Again, we're just grabbing it from the side, pulling it across, and then fuzzing it up. And if you don't have our fuzz, this is our fuzzing cloth. If you don't have it, a normal cloth would work. I used to do it on my jeans before I got the fuzzing cloth. Okay. Alright, here we go. And when you want to do it, you want to do it from the side, left to right to left, from top to bottom. You don't want to pick at your sides, or at your corners, I mean. Because this is a material, and if you pick at your corners and you stretch it out, your transfer could be distorted. And that's not what we want. Now, I've gone back and forth on how to do this part of it. I'm thinking I'm going to do 4 birds, one for myself, one for my husband, one, and then one each for my children. So that's how we're going to do it. And put my husband and I over here, and our children over here. I was going to add my son-in-law and my grandkids, and I think it'll be too much. I'm not sure. But thinking I'd have 4 over here and the 2 over here, I was like, nope, I'm just going to add just my husband and I and our 2 children. So I'm going to start here, and I'll make something else to do. A big one with all of us on it. And this is one of our birds. And And this is our Couture Teal. I'm just going to use this very, very sparingly. And this is Ocean Mist. Add a little bit of water to this. It got a little thick. And when you add water to your chalks, you want to add distilled water. You can buy it in big jugs at like Walmart or different grocery stores for like 99 cents a jar. It's not that expensive. Regular old tap water will make mold grow, so you don't want that. We don't want any science experiments. And this is just Storm. Alright. My Storm's a little bit on the looser side, but that's okay. I'm gonna just add a little bit of Storm. And then I'm going to add, like I said, mostly Ocean Mist. And then a little bit of the Couture Teal. Alright, now, because I'm mixing the colors, I'm not going to really want to put them back in. So let me find a piece of paper, because I forgot to bring up a new roll of paper towels, because I don't want to put this paste back in my jars. Let me pull it off. And there's bird number 1. And we're going to dry him real quick. And let me get bird number 2. Alright. A little bit of Storm. And a little bit of the Couture Teal. Alright. And then the Storm. Not the Storm, Ocean Mist. As soon as I said that, I knew it wasn't right. Alright. Alrighty. Again, wipe it off. And let's pull this bird. And there's our other bird. I'm liking these little birds. They're cute. Now, are there birds really these colors in nature? I don't know. I don't know anything about birds. But they're cute. Alright. Now we're going to get this bird over here done. Again, I want to make sure there are no air bubbles or creases in the silkscreen area, because that would be bad. Okay, that's our storm, our teal. Here goes our ocean mist. And this technique that I'm doing, I don't know, you can call it hot mess, you can call it marbling, probably more marbling. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, there's one of my children. Dry that one off. Alrighty, one more, and then we will be done with this project. And then with this series, I have 4 projects planned. This one plus 3 more. So for the next 3 days, I have plans on doing videos, maybe even a live, and doing all the projects with you guys. So if you like this one, tune in for the rest of the week and you can see the rest, because I'm thinking they are going to be really cute. Alrighty, here we go. The last little bird. I'm going to put a little bit more paste back here on his tail. It wasn't... Oh, I think it's drying. Dang it. Okay, here we go. There we go. And right here, I think the paste just started drying a little. So what I can do is pick up a little brush, a little bit, and just dab it on there a little bit. And I can get a little bit of tail. And just dab it. So then his tail is all filled in. Alright. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that is my project for today. Is it not the cutest? And this is going to go on a wall downstairs that has nothing on it. I have one wall that has nothing on it. Just a small wall. And so this is going to look cute. And the whole week's projects are going to be with it. So that is our project for today. Don't forget to check out my page and you can see the catalog. There'll also be a description when this is on YouTube. In the description there'll be a link to my page and to my online store, so you can go ahead and check out everything new and exciting over there. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.